Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we are going to take a quick overview of a WordPress admin panel or administrator panel. So if you are using Joomla, you will name it administrator panel, and WordPress we are this control panel is called admin panel. And whenever you want to enter to this panel, you simply type your website address and wp admin, and with username and password you can enter this panel. So this is a place where you can manage your whole website. And if we click here, visit website section, this is our website. Okay, and from next video we will properly create our website, and in this video we will just take a quick overview of the WordPress itself. So this is a dashboard, and we have a welcome message here. We can dismiss this message, and the version is 6.2 something. So when you will create your website, I will recommend that don't update the newer versions of WordPress. Sometimes the newer versions are not compatible with the older templates, so you can face the problem. And now you can see that the site health status is there, and some other things are there which you can actually just click here and you can hide these things as well. Okay, so like this. So now you can see that our admin panel, this main dashboard section is very simple. Okay, and on the top we have these sections where we can go to the visit our website, and this is a menu where we can click here for about wordpress.org website. We can go to documentation as well, we can go to support as well, we have the feedbacks as well, and these are the different documentation website is there. Okay, where you will find the WordPress documentation, and here you can find out the forums where you can discuss several things, bugs inside the WordPress and other things as well. And here is also a feedback forum where you can give your feedbacks to the community. And after that we have the this simple notification section, and here is the some messages. And if we go to new, we can actually create a new post, media, page, or user. Okay, so you can create multiple users as well. So for example, if you want to give special access to certain areas of the WordPress, not all the sections, you can go here and you can create a new user, and you can just create the user, and then you can assign a role here, for example contributor, author, editor, or administrator. So if you will select the editor, he will only modify the posts or media and pages, etc., but he can't access the plugin section or settings sections or tools sections, etc. Okay, for now we will only rely on the main user, which is the admin user, and you can create actually the multiple admins as well. So here you can see that we have the log out menu here, where you can log, you can edit the profile, etc. And if you will click on edit profile, you can actually add some avatars. You can give your first name, last name, nickname, which will appear in the comments section, etc. You can change your email address as well, and you can add a biographic info about yourself, etc., profile picture if you want to add, and account management. You can add a new password, etc. as well. Okay, and I will just add some details here as well in a while, but before that we will just overview whole dashboard. And this is a dashboard, and you can see notification and dashboard. If you will click on this section, the update section, you will find out the updates here. Current version is 6.2.2, and you have the latest version of the WordPress. So because we have installed the latest version from the WordPress website, so we have the latest version. Okay, so it's we don't need to reinstall this thing. Also we have this plugin, and it has an update. If you want to update this plugin, you can update as well. Okay, and now you can see that our plugin is updated. Update plugin, and select this plugin and then update plugins. Okay, and now the plugin will be updated according to current version. So now you can see that we don't have any update, and in dashboard we have the home menu, which is the actually the same thing here. Okay, so here you can also see on the right top here under we have the help section, and if we click on this help section, you can see that we have the navigation, we have the layout thing, we have this content thing as well, and these menus are used for several other purposes, which we will define in detail later on. And also we have the screen options. If we click on this screen option, you can see that we have this site health status. If you don't want any of these tabs, you can just uncheck these tabs as well. So I will not uncheck these tabs, although you can see that welcome tab is unchecked because we have clicked here, so it's unchecked by default. If you don't need other tabs, you can just uncheck these tabs as well, but for now I will add these. So this is the screen options menu. Okay, on the top. So on the left side we have the, first of all we have the post section. So this is the section. If we hover on this menu, you can see we have all posts. We can add a new post, we can add the categories, and we can add the tags. So if we go to this section, post section, you can see that we can add a new post here. Okay, so whenever this, you can see by default this post is added, and if you want to add different posts are actually the articles. Okay, and if you visit some blog, for example, let's visit the hamariweb.com, which is the focused blog, and if you go to the some section, for example cricket, you can say you can see that cricket is a category, and under the cricket you have other several categories like PSL, like Asia Cup, etc. So these are the categories. Okay, so for creating these categories, you can simply go to this post section and you can create a new category here. Okay, so by default you can see uncategorized is there, the default category. You can rename it as well, so I will actually rename it. And then another thing is that on this side you can see that one thing is categories, like news is a category, business is a category, mobile is a category, and another thing is that in the bottom, if you will see, you will find out some other menus like about us, or you can see terms and conditions, or other menus. If this website has, I think this website don't have that type of menus, but if you want to maintain that menus, like about menu, like contact us menu, etc., you can create the pages. Okay, so there are two different things here. One is pages and one is posts. Okay, so posts are actually the blog posts or any other articles which are related to certain categories. So in our website we need certain categories, but I will not create categories right now. If you want to create, you can simply edit, and for example you want to create a category of news, for example, so you can create news, and slug is also news. So slug is the URL. Okay, what is URL? this is a URL. So if we click on certain posts, for example hello world, you can see this link is called URL or slug in terms of WordPress. Okay, so by we can change the name and we can update, and the news categories will be created. But for now I will not create any category, because we will import our template, our theme, and with that theme we will import the content as well. So that content may have certain categories, and then we will move further and we will properly design our website. So these are categories, and then these are posts. When you will click on new post, you can create your post. Okay, so add a title, you can add a text here, and then on the right side you can see we have the post options. We have the some about visibility options. We can actually add a feature image to the post. We can add the category to the post. Okay, so now here you can see in categories we have only on categorized, because we don't have any categories. We can also add certain tags as well. Okay, so I will show you that how we will properly create a proper post which will be SEO friendly and everything later on. So this is the post section, and we can also create the tags as well. So tags are actually the short tags. For example, if you go to certain site like incern.org, you will see that on incern.org we have these categories and articles, but here you will also find some tag section as well, labels, which I named labels. Okay, so here is the 2D label. So if we click on 2D label or tag, we will view the things or articles related to the 2D. Okay, 2D section or 2D tags. So these tags are also very useful and very effective for SEO purpose, and also user friendly experience. These are very important, so you can add your tags here as well. After that we have a media, and in the media we have, you can see library, and the add new media as well. Currently you can see we don't have any media, and we can click here, we can select the files, and from our computer we can simply import the images as well. So for example, if I want to import this image, just upload it, and this image is added to our library. Okay, in our media library. So that's great. Definitely I don't need it, so I will just permanently delete it. And definitely we will utilize this area as well in next videos. After that we have pages section. So pages are almost the similar as posts, but pages have no category. You can see we don't have any category at all for the pages, and the pages like privacy policy, about us, contact us, and these type of pages we can maintain here. Okay, and I will show you how we can properly maintain the pages section as well in the next video. From the users communities, and we can maintain the comments as well. We can delete any comment, we can modify, we can reply to any comment, etc. After that we have the appearance menu, which is the important menu where we have the themes section. So if you click on themes, you can see already 3 themes are added here, and if we need some new theme, we can click here, add a new theme, and you will see that we have a lot of themes here which are available totally free from WordPress. You can see very beautiful themes. Okay, so for any theme, if you want to, for example, you can see newspaper theme is also there, which is very beautiful indeed, and which is free as well, but we will use a paid theme. So here you can see, for example, any theme. If you want to select, let's suppose this theme, this blackish theme, we can simply click on install, and this theme will be installed. And when this theme will be installed, we can simply activate the theme, and that will be the available or our main theme. Okay, So let's wait for some seconds, and this theme is installed now, and let's click on activate. And now if we refresh our website, you can see our theme is totally changed. Okay, totally our theme is changed. Okay, beautiful. So in this way we can change the themes as well, but definitely for I will just move back to the original theme, and I will just delete the irrelevant theme. So I think we have added this theme, so we can click on this theme and then we can remove it. Okay, so I think where is the remove option? Yeah, here it is. So irrelevant things, irrelevant plugins, irrelevant themes we don't need at all. Okay, so it will be important. Okay, so this is another theme I think which is irrelevant. Just delete this theme, sorry. And in this way we can delete or remove the themes. Okay, so now you can see that we have only these default themes, and we can activate any of these default themes. So if certain theme is available with you, which is paid theme or which is theme outside from the WordPress list, then you can upload that theme. Okay, so you can click here, add new, and then upload theme, and then you can choose the file of that theme. You can simply install that theme. Okay, so this is the another option. So from where you will find out these themes, you can actually go to certain websites like Evento. Sorry, okay, I will just type WordPress themes, sorry, WordPress news templates, for example, and then you can see we have the theme forest. We can go to this website or any other, lot of websites are there, and you can see that there will be lot of themes and their prices are also mentioned here. Okay, $35 is this theme, this theme. You can purchase these themes and you can utilize it. Although these themes you will find out free as well, but I will not show you in detail how you can get that themes. You should be quite sharp to get your themes by yourself. Anyhow, these are the theme section. After that we have the plugins, and plugin is the section where we can add different plugins, like different APIs, different type of plugins, different type of features. For example, let's go to add new, and you will find out lot of list here. For example, BuddyPress. So BuddyPress is a plugin for certain features in WordPress, like community feature. If you want, you can add. BBPress is also like community feature, health check and troubleshooting. So for example, you need a plugin for Facebook posts, for example, Facebook pop-up. Then you can type here, for example, Facebook. Okay, let's add Facebook. You will find out the plugins related to Facebook over here. Okay, so you can see Facebook for WooCommerce, etc, etc, etc. So plugins are actually the extra features, are extra APIs, extra widgets you can add to your website. Okay, so you can upload the plugins as well, as you can upload the web themes to your website. After that we have the users, and this is the same menu which we have seen here. Okay, so you can go to the users. Currently we have only one user. You can add new users and give different details or different rules to that, roles to that users. After that we have a tools section, where we have certain tools like import tool, like export tool, like site health, like export personal data, import personal data, erase personal data, etc., theme file editor, etc. Okay, So if you click on this theme file editor, you can see that we are here to the code, and we can actually play with the different files of the theme. Currently we are using 2023 theme, and this is the main code of that theme, and you can see this is the style sheet of that theme. And if you want to explore any other section for the theme, you can simply click here, for example assets, fonts, and templates, and here you can see different files related to templates like page.html. if you want to index.html, for example, if you click here, this is the index page, and you can actually modify different sections if you know the programming or coding. Okay, we will not touch this coding section, so we will move further. So after that we have the setting menu, and which we have the general settings of the main website, where we can name the title, tagline, etc., and some other important fields which we will definitely modify creating the main website. Then we have the writing section, which we can manage the writing services. We can add the email address, mail server, and some other things as well. And the reading section is also very important. In reading section you can see that our latest posts are selected. We can make it a latest page as well, and we can select this page as well, which we will do later on. And then we have this section as well for the discussion, where we can select certain checks for the comments section. And then we have this media settings, where we can change these default settings for the displaying the images, etc. And then we have the permalink settings. This is also very important setting, because by default day and name is appearing with the posts, and if you want to make it simple, you can choose some other name. Usually we select this post name by default, but we will do this later on, not now. And then we will select this privacy section, privacy menu, where we can select our privacy page. By default this privacy page is selected, which is already added to our website by default, and we will definitely modify this page according to our needs. Okay, so here you can see we have this privacy page. If you will open this page, you can see who we are, command, media, cookies, and sample privacy pages already added to WordPress website. So that's it for this video. From the next section we are going to create our main website. Goodbye.